If you want a cleaner X timeline without unfollowing or blocking someone, muting is one of the easiest tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to mute an account on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This works great if you want to stop seeing someone's posts and replies without them knowing, and without making any big changes to your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser or app and go to the profile of the account you want to mute. You can also mute someone directly from one of their posts if you see it on your timeline. Once you're on their profile, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More option. On a post, you'll usually find the same three-dot icon in the top right corner of the post. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu. A drop-down list will appear with several actions you can take. From this list, look for the option that says Mute, followed by the username of that account. This tells X that you want to stop seeing content from that person in your feed. After you click Mute, X will usually show you a confirmation message. This is just to make sure you really want to do it. When that prompt appears, click Yes, Mute to confirm. Once you do that, the account is muted immediately. Now, what does muting actually do? It hides that account's posts and replies through your timeline, so you won't keep seeing their content while you scroll. The best part is that X does not notify the person you muted, so it stays private. It's a great option if you want a less aggressive alternative to blocking or unfollowing. If you ever want to undo it later, you can go back to the same profile, open the three-dot menu again, and choose Unmute. That gives you full control, so you can change your settings anytime. A quick tip here. If your timeline feels overwhelming, muting can be really useful for reducing noise, limiting repeated posts, or filtering out accounts you don't want to see right now. You can mute individual people one at a time and customize your feed without affecting your followers or following list. And that's it. You now know how to mute an account on X quickly and safely. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.